So it's time to change this blade right here, and this is just for a DeWALT. First thing I'm gonna do, remove the battery. It's got a little built-in Allen. Go back and forth here. Be able to pop this out. Just for the blade. Specifically goes right there so you don't lose it. Whenever it gets time to change the blade, that's your guard here. You'll be able to swing this back and forth. Top here, you'll be able to hold it with one hand. Press this, slightly rotate until it sinks. Once this sinks all the way, as you can see right there, it's locked. Notice on these blades that the bolt is actually threaded clockwise, so it's a reverse thread. So you're gonna go right to untighten it, and you're gonna go left to tighten it up. Take the nut off, bring this out, and it just slides right up. Swing your guard out. I'm gonna pull the new old blade. Here's my old blade. You can't see on the markings here what size the blade is, but we do have a 6.5 here. It's a 40 teeth count, just like this, and right over. You see how this one's all gnarled up and pretty much broken, damaged over time. So it's definitely had a nice life, but I definitely need one, a near one, so be able to put this one. Make sure you follow the arrow. It's not going that way, it's going this way. We'll be able to see the face right like that. On the inside here, there's two tapered edges right there. Just little notches here and here. That's how it's gonna go. Fits in there. Put this back in. In order for me to tighten this up, I'm gonna go counterclockwise. Press on my safety up until it locks. Once it locks, this stops. Tighten it up, nice and snug. I like to use my thumb there and the rest of my hand underneath here. Pry it together. That's enough torque right there. It's pretty tight. Now, don't forget, right in the bottom, push it back in, nice and snug. I've never lost a tool, especially in this DeWALT's here. I like this, that is nice and attached right there, and this is ready to go. Now my rotation, you'll be able to see what way it goes. Rotation goes around just like that. Notice my guard is right there. I'm on the table. Be able to spin it, spins. Remember this rotation, the teeth cut going upwards like that. If you turn it around, put it on backwards, when it comes like that, it hits on the back of these teeth. That's gonna be pretty, it's not gonna cut basically. You're gonna gnarl up the back side of it and break off the teeth from the back forward. They're designed to cut upwards like this. You don't know the rotation and you got a blade like this and you're like, I don't remember what side I put it in or what side it came out. Simply put the battery on, give it a spin, and then it spins. When it stops, it's going that way. Then you know that's the way it cuts. Little tip and trick. There's a right way and a wrong way to put this guy on. Backwards and forwards.